Hi, I'm Massey from HSP 4x4 Accessories, and today I'm here to show you guys a brand new product of ours which is called the Armour Bar. Now what's exciting about this is that it's the first in a brand new range of product of ours which is specifically designed to enhance the look of your vehicle, and we thought we'd start off with an extended sports bar. So what you can see here is we've got a matte black extended sports bar, but it's a little bit different design, and I want to go through that with you. The rear leg actually starts towards the middle of the sports bar. So it'll start in the middle and it has a nice bend and it comes back all the way to the end. Now that's important for two reasons. Firstly, it looks great, and the second thing is you can actually use that flat plate in the middle to mount beacon lights or spotlights or anything like that onto. So you get a nice flat plate to install those products. Now the other thing I want to show you as well is the middle bar. So what we've got here is a connector bar with the imprint of Armour Bar, and they all come in red. It looks great, it fits really well, it's not overly overpowering on the product, and it gives it a really nice finish. So that's something that we love the look of as well. Now we didn't just stop at the looks. We thought, well, how can we make this bar a little bit different? And what we did was we actually designed the whole thing to be made of alloy. Now this is also great for two reasons, because A, it weighs a lot less. I believe it's probably the lightest extended sports bar on the market, but B, it doesn't rust like steel would. Even if you get a steel powder coated product, once they start getting chips, you can start to see rust coming out over the years. So you do avoid that with this product, which is great. Now to my right here, as you can probably have guessed, the Armour Bar is going to be 100% compatible with the HSP roll bar cover. So there'll be a specific sports bar adapter kit that you can use on the roll bar cover when ordering it, and it'll have the pre-machined holes on the side rails to mount the Armour Bar straight on. And I really like that because you get a nice flush finish. It goes straight into the side rails of the roll top, so it seals well. It's got really good structural integrity, but also the height of it is very important. Now, I want to pull this camera up a little bit, and I want to show you the roof line. What you can see with the roof line here is that it's pretty much flush. And why that's important is because there's a lot of sports bars and also a lot of roll tops that have high profile sports bars or high profile side rails. That makes the sports bars generally sit somewhere around 50 to 60 mil above the cabin of the vehicle. It doesn't look nice. It can sometimes create a whistling noise. So we really think that this is a much better solution for that. It looks more flush. It looks like it belongs on the car, and it's something that we're really proud of. The Armour Bar also comes exclusively in a matte black finish. So it's going to really complement a lot of vehicles out there, especially a lot of vehicles that come standard with a lot of matte black accessories. So that's a really nice finish that we got and something we're really happy with. If you are looking to purchase one or have a look at one, please contact HSP or any of our distributors in Australia by going to our website www.hsputelids.com or following us on our social media at HSP4x4.